welcome to Rudsi House. This is the first BME project that has been implemented in Cardiff.
It was created for Somali elders who were seamen.
We go to Norwegian church and every day out for the old seamen. Maybe they'll have some memories of a long time ago.
aad bay u wanaagsan tahay in magaranaysaa qofkii dibadda loo yar saaro oo beeyga la geeyo oo meelaha la soo marmariyo oo dee waxay u noqonaysaa meeshan fadhiyo ama meeshan maalin fadhiyo ama guriga fadhiyo waxay noqonaysaa fresh in haway fresh oo qaato oo dibadda soo maro oo indhaha dadku aragga dadka arkay kala noocaaya ama meel badda waxa arkayo.
In this area, he was all ship owner here. He used to be called SS Ramalis. I joined this ship 1964.
marka waa 5 jeer la soo galay cimrigiisa weyna marka maalin walba waxana lagu yiraahdaa mar walba uu gaboobayo wax dambu qaadaya ma jiro waa la iskaraabaya.
I used to be seaman, America, Australia, and so many small islands.
I don't think I know much about dementia, but since I am the carer of Mr. Muhammad Abdullah Omar, I tend to know his dementia stay in the same stage for a long time. Like his memory is quite good.
De markabkaanu rinjii jiray oo mayri jiray oo kulku wax la saaray wax ka qaban jiray oo wax la xaadi jiray wax la dhigdhigi jiray.
Mr. Muhammad's dementia, that's the only dementia I know.
Gadna yuba.
Gadna you.
3 sanadood baan ku jiray. Ya farash.
I always see my residents in a residential setting. So it's quite nice, to see them, roaming around, Cardiff Bay, reminiscing, the old docks. So it has got a lot of meaning, to them. Only building that they can recognize from years ago is that red brick building, the clock tower.
You see the gate here? See the bridge here? We go right through.
Mr. Noah told me that all the small ships used to dock somewhere here.
See the big building over here?
He also told me, the big, cargo ships, used to go, the dry docks, which is now where the National Theatre is.
Even though culturally Somali people are very helpful to each other, the dementia bit, we need a bit more understanding. We need a bit more learning. The worst thing for somebody who's got dementia is to be sitting at home because you don't really get any stimulation. My uncle says, I've been watching these 4 walls all day. It's really good to have a little day out, I think, anyway, in my opinion.
I wish this was the summertime, warm up a little bit. I'm sure they enjoy coming out, a day out, isn't it?